Let's move on and implement login out functionality. When the user is authenticated, instead of showing login and sign up links, we have to show logout link, and the component that holds those navigation links is called app_header. Now, let's jump back to the editor and open up this component. Right here, let's wrap those links login and sign up within template tag. In here, we're going to use if conditional to render logout link if the user is already authenticated, or login and sign up links in case user is not authenticated. So we're going to use the if directive to conditionally render different UI elements. And now we need to obtain this logged in variable, and the way we're gonna do so is by using another function provided by Nuxt util package called useUserSession. So to call this function, we're gonna create script tag in here, and now I'm going to destructure the result of this function and extract logged in variable like so. And now let's duplicate one of the existing nav items and use this nav item as logout link. Right here, I'm going to rename the label of this nav item to logout. In the browser, as I'm currently authenticated, the logout link is shown instead of login and sign up, but the moment I'm going to remove session cookie, and after refreshing the page, sure enough, login and sign up link will be shown instead. Let's try to login again and make sure that we'll be redirected to the playlist page and logout link will be shown. As you can see, it works as we expect to, but there is another place where we need to show logout link, and that is inside mobile navigation. As you can see, when I activate mobile view, we have this mobile navigation, which is contained within app_header mobile nav component. Let's open up this component and do similar changes. The first thing that I'm gonna do is copy over this script tag and paste it into app_header mobile nav component, since we're gonna need to use the same logged in variable to decide whether to show logout link or login and sign up links. Following the same steps, we will use template tags, use the if directive to check whether the current user is authenticated. If not, we're going to show login and sign up links. But if he is authenticated, we will show logout link instead, like so. By the way, in order for this mobile navigation to appear, we firstly have to click this hamburger icon. This way, hash with the name of nav is added to the address line, and then we have to manually refresh the page, and then mobile menu will appear. Initially, this mobile navigation has been implemented by using only pure CSS, but in the future we will properly implement this mobile navigation by using JavaScript, so that it will open and close by clicking this hamburger menu icon. Nevertheless, we have achieved what we wanted, and logout link now shows up instead of login and logout links. And after clearing up the cookie and refreshing the page, sure enough, we're going to see login and sign up links.